So, start na tayo. Dito tayo sa number 1. So, for the first problem daw, we have a truss. And then, it is composed of 45-degree right triangles. The crossed members in the center two panels are slender. So, hindi sila makaka-carry ng compression. Instead, tension lang yung pwede nilang dalhin. Itong mga panels dito. Kasi pag, pag nakaka-carry yan ng compression at tension, magiging indeterminate yung structure natin. So, for the first question, in space GFLM daw, ito, which diagonal is acting daw and ano yung force in it? Now, to make our solution efficient, we can just get the reaction dito sa rocker support. Now, yung rocker is just the same sa roller support, but vertical lang yung rocker. So, para madali, let's just take moments about A. Yan. So, solve natin yung reaction dito sa roller. Rocker. So, diba, 45 degrees lahat, bala, if we'll extend a line here, yan, saka dito, tig 45 degrees yan lahat. 45, and so on. So, essentially, although walang binigay na distances, diba, yung sides ng 45-degree triangle, pwede nating i-assume as 1, square root of 2. So, each of these lengths, yan, 1 yan lahat. So, sabihin natin 1, lahat ng yan. And then, lahat ng diagonals, 45 degree yung inclination. So, summation of moments about A, we have here BY. Yan, so, minus BY, multiply natin by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan, so BY times 6 kasi 6 na lengths. And then, plus 100, this force multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. And then, plus yan, kasi clockwise yung rotation na makakause niya about A. And then, we also have 80. So, it will cause a counterclockwise rotation about A. We have to use minus. So, minus 80 pala. Multiplied by 1 yan. This is also 1. So, bala 2. So, set down natin to 0. For a while. Open muna natin yung calculator. Yan. So, minus 6x plus 100 times 4 minus 80 times 2 equals 0. We have 40. So, this is 40 pala. Kian. Now, for the first question, ito yung dapat natin gawin. We have to calculate the net force sa member natin. Bala, diba, we want GFLM. Yan. We can cut the center. Yan. Diba, since tension lang yung kaya nilang dalawa, sabihin natin, pag ganyan yung force natin. Yan. So, to determine kung aling member dyan yung nag-a-act, we have to calculate the net force. Now, diba, considering the right side of the section, yan, we have a net force of negative 100 kasi this is downward plus 40. So, meron pala yung net force na we have a net force of negative 60. Yan, bala, this is acting downward. Now, if we look at the figure, yan, diba, if we'll use method of sections, we can sum up vertical forces, but isang member lang yung mag-a-act dyan. Now, it cannot be FL. Bakit? Kasi if FL yung mag-a-act, pa-downward yung force. Yung kailangan kasi natin is downward kasi yung net force. We have to counteract that by an upward force. Now, the vertical component of FL is acting downward. So, hindi yan pwede. Walang equilibrium if ito yung mag-a-act. So, bale, itong GM pala yung mag-a-act. So, gagawin natin is this member is eliminated kasi hindi yan makaka-carry ng compression, only tension. So, we can sum up forces vertical considering the right side of the section. So, we have summation of forces along Y. Meron tayong GM, and then since this is 45 degrees, diba? So, sine 45. Bale, GM sine 45 minus 60, this is equal to 0. Yan. So, we have ano yan? 60 divided by sine 45. So, we have 84.85. Yan. So, this is Kn. And then tension. Yan. Now, para ma-internalize nyo talaga, what if nagkamali ka and then yung FL yung tinreat mo as yung nagdadala ng tension? Ito yung mangyayari. If FL tayo, we have here, diba, FL. But FL is acting downward if tension yan. So, magiging minus FL sine 45 and then minus our net force of 60 kasi minus 100 plus 40. Yan. So, if isosolve mo to, FL will become negative 84.85. Now, diba, since this is negative, magiging compression na yan. So, hindi yan pwede. Ito yung concept dyan. Now, how about for the second question? By the way, our answer is GM, and then the force is 84.85. Yan. So, letter A. And then, for number 2 naman, in space FEMN daw, this portion, determine which diagonal is acting and the force in it. So, the same question essentially. So, we can still cut this. We can cut this section and then ito yung internal forces ng EM saka NF, and then we'll still consider the right side of the section. Now, diba, for the right side of the section, the same lang yung forces na mag-act. Kasi, considering the right, meron pa rin tayong 100 acting downward and this upward force which is 40. So, ibig sabihin pala, yung net force dito, para sa second question, it's still 60. Yan. So, 60 downward, essentially, the same lang yung solution dito. But, medyo magbabago na lang. Ito pala. For a while lang. Ba't nandyan? Wait lang. Yan. So, dito, acting is NF. Kasi yan yung may vertical component na acting upward. So, NF is the same lang din. 84.85 Kn and then tension. Yan. Now, what if, sir, ito yung mangyayari. What if nakakross yan? What if lang? So, pag ikakat natin yan, and then we'll consider to the right, ano yung mangyayari? Diba, our net force will be upward. Kasi yung positive 40 na lang yung mag-act. Wala nang 100 kN acting downward. So the net force here will be 40 upward. So ano dapat yung mag-act if for example lang naka-cross yan? Since we have a net force of 40 acting upward, yung DN na pala, yung DN na yung mag-act as yung member na magkikarry ng tension. Kasi this is acting downward, it will counteract the direction of this force. So yan yung considerations natin. But hindi naman yan kasala, remove na lang natin. Yan. So for number 2 pala, we have NF or FN, the same lang yan. And then 84.85. Yan. By the way, yung 56.57 galing yan sa member DE. Check down natin. Ano yung hinahanap sa number 3? Hinahanap is MN pala. MN. Yan. So, for MN, we still have to consider this cut. Yan. So, we have here, sulat na lang natin lahat ng internal forces. We have MN. We also have EF. Yan. Now, diba, to solve MN, we can take moments about F dito. Kasi, diba, this is member NF, this is member EF. Yan. Merong F yung dalawang members, merong F, meron din tong F. So, to get MN, we have to take moments about F. Kasi tatama yan sila lahat sa F. So, for number 3, dito ko na lang isusulat. We have summation of moments about F. And then, MN, multiply natin by a distance of 1. And then positive yan. MN times 1. And then we have 100 kN. It will cause a clockwise rotation about F. So plus, multiply natin by 1 meter. Yan. And then we have 40 kN. Yang BY, multiply natin by 1, 2, 3. And then it will cause a counterclockwise rotation, so minus. So set natin to 0. We have x plus 100 and then minus 120. Magiging 20 and then tension kasi positive yung lumabas. Yan. So, we have letter C pala. Yan, 20 tension. So, yung ano pala, yung 56.57, just an additional input, yan yung force ng member ED. I mean, ano pala, member EO. Yan, try down natin. If we are to solve the internal force of member EO, and then we'll consider the right side of the section, we can just sum up forces vertical. Yan, so we have here EO sine 45. Yan yung vertical component. And then plus 40. Tama ba? Yan. So, set natin to 0. We have x sine 45 plus 40 equals 0. Yan. Minus 56.57. But, hindi yan kasala. in-explain ko lang kung saan galing yung nasa choices. Kasi yan talaga yung mangyayari sa board exam. Merong mga trap na question, so be careful dyan.